Good. Ukhamba is next. Remember, this one is linked to Imperial, and Imperial has got some interesting things going on. It's about to split its main business into the motor business, Motus, and then also
Logistics.
the logistics operation.
Correct.
But tell us more about this one, and while we're doing that, let's get the share chart up. This one has sort of lacked a little bit of excitement, perhaps, Craig?
Yes. So a big part of the reason is that, you know, this one really tests your patience. So the maturity is June to 2025.
Yep,
Yes.
so a long time.
And we may have hosted our second World Cup by then.
Yes.
And quite a few Olympics and all of that. So it's at a deep discount, unsurprisingly, to its NAV, which we estimated over 35 Rand a share.
Wow.
But given, what, 8 years to maturity.
How would they be affected by the split? Would they do something there?
So I wanted to ask you about that, because I heard that there might be, because the scheme is seen as being small in the bigger scheme of the Imperial Group.
Yeah.
There might be corporate action there as well.
So remember, the scheme owns roughly just over 5% of Imperial.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a fairly decent shareholder. You know, if you own about 5%, you've got to declare that.
Yeah.
And the way the deal is structured, it's a fairly complex deal. Vestact are involved with the structuring, and you have about 700,000+ Imperial shares which vest within the Ukhamba structure on an annual basis. So instead of having Imperial shares, maybe they'll have two different you know, where Imperial Motors and the other one.
Underlying instruments.
So they could just have two underlying instruments, or you know, they may decide to list it on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange BEE board. But this one is one of those that you see significant volatility in the chart.
Correct.
So on the big downward movements, it may be a good opportunity just to accumulate.
What you're implying is that the NAV is higher, right? We're out of time, unfortunately, so all we've got time left for is you to tell us whether you think this thing is hot or not.
I think this is hot for the patient investor.
For the patient investor, exactly.
Growth investor. The dividend yield is not worth talking about.
But Bright, for you, patient and investor always go hand in hand, right?
I actually own these because I'm betting on the management as well of the bigger Imperial Group. We've seen significant change in the past 3 years since the new management
came in.
Came in, and is basically about, I think it's about 30 top management retired, and 23 new youngsters came in. So those guys, you know, they're very motivated to change their business and find growth.
Excellent, good. Time